What's going on, guys? Boy, Maximum RPM coming at you with another video today. I just got in from recording a video that will be out tomorrow. I also just got some a new storage bin. Hopefully we'll be making some of my video making processes a little easier. Either way, let's get right into this. We have, of course, I almost called it a list battle. A 3D printing tournament battle. We have Matriarch Arachne, made by... Currently I'm thawing my brain. Matriarch Arachne, made by my good friend, Raging Mako. She's a beautiful looking defense type, taper friction. And then we got my buddy Luxo Bay. And his Bay, which I think may be a little deceiving to this tournament, he's rocking the crossbones from Abomination Jackal. Teravolt on over Venture. And, well, you may see something that may spoil the next video coming out, but what can I say? I'm a generous man. I like giving teasers. First to 5, burst worth 2, everything else worth 1. Mako will be going in first. He has the type advantage. Unless Teravolt starts winning every round with spin finishes, it will remain this way. We've got the biggest bay in the tournament versus the smallest. Ooh, I was worried about that with Teravolt. The stadium may not be super friendly to him. Wait, I don't know why it looks like my stadium's at such a crazy angle on this. That's 1-0. See, that's where... Ooh, Teravolt took a little bit of damage. That's where Teravolt is going to be really dangerous, is at the end of the match. His combo is built for attack type efficiency. Ooh, what a good hit by Teravolt. Using Venture very well. Never mind. Arachne hunkering down in the center. One to one. Look at that. Teravolt is not unscathed. Arachne moving just a little bit. 1-1. Whoa, that was a good hit. Killed a lot of Arachne's stamina with that one. Mako made this bay very poetic. It is a, well, it's based off of a Black Widow, if you couldn't tell. 2-1. And, well, it's a defense type, but it does have some venom, as he put it, with some decent attack power, actually. I got no lore for Teravolt. This stadium really putting a bit of a kink in things, just because of its odd size and shape. And well, this one's really kind of compressing our attack types here. Ooh. I'm going to have to go to the footage for that. I'm going to have to watch the replay. I'm going to call that a tie. Still 2-1. Mako is in the lead. That was incredibly close, but I'm going to have to call that one a tie. Down to stamina. This is going to be close. 2-2. There we go. So, Mako's biggest weakness is getting knocked off balance. The issue is, Teravolt seems like it was only built for push and smash attack. So it's got to kind of get lucky with an uppercut. It made my ears ring. Oh no! Teravolt just not lining up with a good hit. Let's see if I can give us just a little more. There. See if I can balance it out a little bit. Still could be close. Three to 2. Mako holding on strong. Come on, don't touch that ridge, Teravolt. There's an odd tone. I wonder if that's because of the ripcords underneath it. That tone change, though, I'm curious what that is. Real close. 4 to 2. In the BB10, I think this would be an even closer match. Ooh, that was a real good hit. Because Arachne just centers itself in the stadium so well, that venture hitting the tornado ridge really ain't helping it. And there we have it, guys. Raging Mako and Matriarch Arachne steal the win with a score of 5 to 2. Don't worry, Luxo. Teravolt is not out just yet. You got Redemption, of course. The Redemption round will most likely be done. Normally I do them via our live stream. This one is going to really depend. For the plans that I have, it's going to depend on time and what I got going on. But either way, that was a great match. Teravolt did a really good job. Arachne just worked better with this stadium. But, alright guys, that's going to be about it. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications so you get all my videos because I upload Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I just hope this video makes your day just a little bit better. Live life to the max and stay awesome.